Have you ever felt that nagging discomfort in your gut, bloating, gas, or unpredictable bowel movements? Maybe it's a dull ache that lingers after meals, or a sudden cramp that catches you off guard. You're not alone. Millions of people experience these symptoms every day, often in silence, wondering if there's a better way to feel. Our modern lifestyle, filled with processed foods, sugary snacks, and constant stress, has created a perfect storm for gut issues. We rush through meals, eat on the go, and rarely pause to consider what we're putting into our bodies. Over time, these habits can wreak havoc on our digestive system, leaving us feeling sluggish, uncomfortable, and frustrated. People are tired of temporary fixes, antacids, laxatives, and quick fix pills that only mask the symptoms. What we really want are real solutions that address the root cause, not just a band-aid for the pain. We crave lasting relief and a sense of control over our own health. This search for answers is leading many to rediscover ancient, natural remedies like slippery elm. These time-tested solutions have been used for centuries, long before modern medicine, to soothe and heal the digestive tract. Slippery elm represents a return to wisdom passed down for generations, a belief in the body's ability to heal with the right tools from nature. It's about reconnecting with traditions that honor the body's natural rhythms and resilience, and trusting that gentle, plant-based remedies can make a real difference. Your gut is the epicenter of your health, affecting your immune system, mood, energy, and even mental clarity. When your digestive system is balanced, you feel lighter, more energetic, and ready to take on the day. But when it's out of sync, everything else can feel off too. When your gut is inflamed, the effects ripple throughout your body, draining your vitality and making even simple tasks feel overwhelming. It's not just about digestion, it's about your overall sense of well-being. The quest for gut health is really a quest for total wellness, a foundation for a vibrant, energetic life. When your gut thrives, you can enjoy more moments with loved ones, pursue your passions, and live life to the fullest. As we explore slippery elm, remember, this isn't just another supplement to add to your shelf, but a shift in how we approach health. It's about choosing solutions that work with your body, not against it. It's about listening to our bodies, tuning in to what we truly need, and embracing nature's healing gifts. By making small, mindful changes, we can support our gut and our overall health in powerful ways. Slippery elm is a gentle, potent ally in reclaiming the healthy, happy gut you deserve. With each step toward natural wellness, you're investing in a brighter, more vibrant future, one where you feel your best every single day. So, what exactly is slippery elm, and why has it been cherished for so long? It's the inner bark of a majestic North American tree, Ulmus rubra, a species that has stood tall in forests for centuries. For generations, people have turned to this tree for its remarkable healing properties, making it a staple in traditional herbal medicine. When the dried inner bark is mixed with water, it transforms into a slick, gel-like substance known as mucilage. This soothing gel is the secret behind slippery elm's healing power, creating a protective layer that calms irritation and supports the body's natural recovery. Native Americans and early settlers relied on slippery elm for a variety of ailments, soothing sore throats, healing wounds, and especially easing digestive distress. Its gentle touch made it a trusted remedy in times when modern medicine was unavailable. This isn't just folklore. It's wisdom built on generations of experience, passed down from elders to the young, connecting families through the shared knowledge of nature's gifts. The inner bark is rich in mucilage, antioxidants, and soluble fiber, making it a multifaceted healer. Mucilage soothes and protects delicate tissues. Antioxidants help fight inflammation and support the immune system. And the soluble fiber not only regulates digestion, but also nourishes the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy digestive environment and overall well-being. Slippery elm is gentle, natural, and time-tested, a nurturing alternative to harsh treatments. It offers comfort without side effects, making it suitable for people of all ages. It works with your body to restore balance and promote healing, supporting your journey to wellness in a holistic way. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are those quietly waiting in nature, ready to nurture, heal, and restore us when we need it most. To appreciate slippery elm, let's look at its rich history. Native American tribes revered it, using the inner bark for healing wounds and soothing digestive issues. They made nourishing gruels and teas for the sick and elderly, recognizing its ability to calm upset stomachs and relieve diarrhea. European settlers quickly adopted it, and it became a staple in early American medicine. During the American Revolution, slippery elm poultices were used on battlefields to treat wounds. Its reputation grew, and it was listed in the United States Pharmacopoeia for over a century. Its decline in mainstream medicine was due to the rise of synthetic drugs, not a lack of efficacy. Today, we're rediscovering this lost wisdom. Ulcerative colitis is a battle against chronic gut inflammation, causing pain, diarrhea, and fatigue. The goal is to calm this fire and let the colon heal. Slippery elm's mucilage forms a soothing, protective coating over the digestive tract, much like aloe on a sunburn. This barrier shields ulcerated tissues from further irritation, reducing pain and allowing healing. Slippery elm also stimulates your body's own mucus production, reinforcing your gut's natural defenses. Its dual action, external coating and internal protection, makes it uniquely powerful for colitis. It's gentle and easy to digest, ideal during a flare when the gut is sensitive. While not a cure, slippery elm helps manage symptoms and create a healing environment. It breaks the cycle of irritation and inflammation, supporting remission and recovery. For many, it's an invaluable tool for relief and hope. Diverticulitis starts with small pouches in the colon that can become inflamed and painful. Conventional treatment involves rest and antibiotics, but slippery elm offers gentle support during recovery. Its mucilage coats and soothes inflamed pouches, acting like an internal bandage. This reduces irritation and pain, helping the colon heal. Slippery elm is also a great source of soluble fiber, which softens stool and eases bowel movements. Softer stools mean less pressure on the colon, lowering the risk of future flare-ups. Start with a diluted tea or thin gruel for gentle relief, then gradually increase as healing progresses. Slippery elm works in harmony with your body, first soothing, then supporting regularity. It's a natural, two-pronged approach to both relief and prevention. For those with diverticulitis, it offers comfort and a path to better gut health. Crohn's disease can affect any part of the digestive tract, causing deep, patchy inflammation and a range of symptoms. Slippery elm's mucilage coats and protects inflamed tissues wherever they occur, reducing pain and cramping. For those struggling with malnutrition, slippery elm gruel provides gentle nourishment that's easy to digest. Its soothing action helps make eating less painful, especially during flare-ups. The antioxidant properties support healing and help reduce cellular damage from chronic inflammation. By calming the gut lining, slippery elm improves nutrient absorption from other foods. It's not a cure, but a foundational therapy that helps restore balance. Calming the gut is the first step toward better absorption, fewer symptoms, and improved quality of life. For Crohn sufferers, it's a gentle, supportive ally. Mucilage is a unique, soluble fiber that transforms into a thick, gel-like substance when it comes into contact with water. Imagine the way chia seeds swell and become jelly-like after soaking. This natural process is not only fascinating to watch, but it also reveals the remarkable properties of mucilage as a protective agent in nature. Slippery elm bark is especially rich in mucilage, making it a time-honored remedy for soothing and protecting the body's internal tissues. For generations, herbalists have turned to slippery elm for its gentle, calming effects on the digestive system. When you prepare and drink slippery elm tea, the mucilage forms a soft, soothing layer that coats your entire digestive tract. It acts almost like a natural hydrogel bandage, providing a gentle barrier that shields your gut lining from further irritation and discomfort. This protective coating helps to calm inflammation, buffer sensitive or damaged tissues from harsh irritants, and ease symptoms like pain, burning, and cramping. Many people notice a sense of relief and comfort soon after drinking the tea. By creating this soothing environment, mucilage helps to break the cycle of irritation and inflammation, giving your body's natural healing mechanisms the chance to repair and restore balance. But mucilage does even more. It can trap and bind toxins, waste products, and inflammatory substances in your gut, helping to carry them safely out of your body. This gentle cleansing action supports overall digestive health. By reducing the inflammatory load and removing irritants, mucilage helps your gut function more efficiently, making it easier to enjoy healthy meals and feel your best every day. In essence, mucilage coats, soothes, protects, and cleanses your digestive tract, a simple yet incredibly effective mechanism that nature has provided. That's why slippery elm has been cherished and revered as a gut healer for centuries, passed down through generations as a trusted natural remedy. Nature's hydrogel bandage, mucilage, is truly a powerful ally for digestive health, offering gentle, effective support for anyone seeking relief and restoration. Slippery elm's healing power goes beyond mucilage. It's also a source of antioxidants. Chronic gut inflammation creates free radicals that damage cells, but antioxidants neutralize them, reducing tissue damage. Slippery elm delivers these antioxidants directly to inflamed gut tissues, supporting repair. Its soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy microbiome is essential for digestion, immunity, and even mental well-being. Slippery elm's fiber is fermented by gut bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate fuels colon cells and has anti-inflammatory effects. By nourishing good bacteria, slippery elm strengthens your gut barrier and reduces inflammation. It's a synergy of soothing, protecting, and nourishing from the inside out. That's the true power of this humble tree bark. What does slippery elm actually feel like? For many, it brings immediate soothing, like putting out a fire in your throat or esophagus. The thick tea coats and calms, easing burning and irritation. For lower digestive issues, relief comes as a gradual softening of pain and cramping. Bowel movements become less urgent and painful, bringing a sense of control. Bloating and gas often decrease as inflammation subsides and gut bacteria rebalance. Slippery elm helps your digestive system find its rhythm, moving from chaos to calm. It doesn't force your body. It supports natural healing. The relief feels gentle and nurturing, leading to more energy and less fear around food. It's like having a trusted, gentle friend on your healing journey. To get the most from slippery elm, use the powder form for direct digestive relief. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons with a little cold water to make a paste, then add boiling water for tea. Sip slowly while warm, or make a thicker gruel for more nourishment. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, as the fiber absorbs liquid in the gut. Take slippery elm at least 2 hours before or after medications or supplements to avoid interference. Choose products made from 100% inner bark and support sustainable harvesting. Start with a small dose and increase gradually as your body adjusts. Quality matters. Pick reputable brands for purity and potency. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Safe, mindful use ensures you get the full benefits. While slippery elm is a powerful natural remedy, it's not a substitute for professional medical care. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially for chronic conditions like colitis, diverticulitis, or Crohn's. Your healthcare provider knows your history and can help you decide if slippery elm is right for you. This collaborative approach ensures safety and effectiveness. Managing gut conditions often requires a combination of diet, medication, and supportive therapies. Slippery elm can be a valuable part of your plan, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. Never change prescribed treatments without your doctor's guidance. Take an active role in your health. Educate yourself, ask questions, and make informed choices. By partnering with your provider, you can create a personalized plan for lasting gut health and well-being.